Today I'm going to be talking to you about Zendocrine, the detoxification blend. And my goal is to talk to you about some tips and ways to use it all in 2 minutes. So go ahead and start the timer. The detoxification blend, Zendocrine. A lot of people, when they get this oil or even see this oil, they are kind of confused on how to use it. How I've used it is by taking this one internally to help my body, to help support my body in detoxing toxins. So if you think about it, we're surrounded by toxins. You know, we use toxic chemicals to clean the home. Hopefully you're learning how to switch your cleaning products to something that's more non-toxic. Then you are also surrounded by toxins everywhere where you just can't control it, right? It's around your home, it's around outside, it's in the foods we eat. So we're constantly just bombarded by toxins. So it only makes sense to use the Zendocrine internally to help support your body in releasing those toxins. In fact, I was talking to a leader in doTERRA. Her name is Dr. Laura Jacobs. Maybe you know her. And I asked her if she was stranded on an island, what is the one product that she would bring to that island? And she said it would definitely be, hands down, Zendocrine. And that kind of made me think like, what does she know? And so ever since then, I've been implementing Zendocrine in my daily regimen, taking the Zendocrine capsules daily, and that really helps balance your hormones, balance your endocrine system, or supports your endocrine system. Zendocrine is also great in getting rid of heavy metals that may be in your body. If you found value in this video, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you like this content, consider subscribing to my channel and ring the bell so that you are notified every time I upload a brand new video. Now, before we end, if you are new and would like to get started with essential oils, I would like to encourage you to go to my website, jennifersnell.com, and check out the different packages that doTERRA has. Every package comes with a free membership. It's very similar to a Costco when you purchase a Costco membership and you get access to all the great products at a great discount. doTERRA has that same thing, and with a wholesale account, you save 25% below retail. And one package that I want to highlight today is the Meta Power System. This system helps support individuals who suffer from brain fog, glucose spikes, low energy, sleep problems, weight gain, saggy skin, mood swing, and food and sugar cravings. So if that sounds like you definitely want to check out the Meta Power kit that we have. It's $179, and it comes with some amazing products that help you manage those areas. So again, you can check that out at jennifersnell.com. If you have any questions, feel free to comment and ask them below. Make sure to check out my next video on essential oil tips and tricks for beginners. Have a great day. Bye.